ọ na-ebata share this video ka anyị kọwa ma n'isi ntụ. Share this video ka anyị kọwa ma n'isi ntụ, ka anyị kọwa ma n'isi ntụ. Fabian Chika always right on time. Biko nutinu notification etu a Fabian Chika si wee ti notification mba live ọkụọ gbagam. Biko nagide na m ntu nsi eme program na ntu nsi post video these days. Enwere something shock lumo nwere ife a na-akpọ ishock go, which I am working to see that now I'm resolved. So that is why you don't see me coming more often on Facebook. Reason is because no new na aboko adachuoke. You go. I have something pressing me that I need to resolve and settle and clear my head of it. So that's why you don't see me more often posting regularly and coming live like I used to do. But I believe that this time around we are going to get this sorted and done so that we move ahead. So let us discuss. Some of our brothers have the opinion that what is so special about Zion City in Ngor-Okpala? What is so special about Zion going to Ngor-Okpala? After all, it is Ebuka Obi's personal business. Yes, I have come to agree with you that it is Evangelist Ebuka Obi's personal business. Yes, we agree. Share this video because this video is very important for some people. Now, Fabian Chika, thank you. Akobi Felix Shukuka, thank you. Odogwine mo from Adalo. Ada Ndijiofo Ezugo Odogwu nwanne nwaanyị daalụ. Okafọ Gochukwu Odogwu na Nnewi daalụ. Evangelist Godwin, Evangelist Godwin, how are you doing, my man? My man, I'm okay. Enjoying your White House. Evangelist Godwin, enjoying your White House. Ngo soronda Magachukwu, ngo soronda Godwin, ekpupulu ngogbu. Imelu nda ata akpuchi ọnụ. Chineke. Magachukwu ngo soronda ife wuwa anu nyiro onye ụsa ịdaje ha ọnụ mee fiochara ha ncha niile ọnụ chie ye n'ala maka ọnwụ na ọhụ onye dụka ha ya adafere ọnụ. In all the RNG case ha bupụtagoro, your own is the one pụtara fast penyụọ ya. Reason is because na ịpụtakwuo n'ọkpara na abụ sị ha ụnụ mara ebe a na-eje ka ije. So thank you very much. Your strength, I appreciate your strength, your energy and your stamina. Akpọ amụ nwoke ya wuru nwoke. Amụ nwoke ya wuru nwoke. Iyiri ha egwu. Inya idewele ọnụ ready. Onye wota. Abcha niile. That the GO, mommy GO, members, Monday collaborators, hancha niile. Also, my whistleblower, onye ho na agba, ọkpa ya na akụ n'isi. How I wish a lot of all these people had you me RNG Jigosarejia. Na hancha niile yeje borrow quarter of energy got to win. I got to win. Even that attack with she on. Hey. So, thank you very much, Godwin, my brother. Keep it up. Una he fule lolo ka umbido. Ogwe fulu una. Ogwe for that White House. Amakado na azu aka ye puninu na epuninu. Alukwara na alu. Aka ye puninu na enu na azu no chinie ye enu ofuma. Oye no se dihu. Ora afu ye gotago. So, Malaki Onyema Dalo, watching from Russia. You are welcome, my brother. So now, national anthem, Hana go. After all, now Zion is Ebuka Obi's personal property. we agree. First of all, Zion Ministry nke Lagos is Ebuka Obi's personal property too. Nwadike Chukwuwanda, I greet you. Is Ebuka Obi's personal property too. But discover all that personal property, and before you know it, other people, due to the kind of development in Abieba, other people move inside the video, governor, lower their own personal property. Before you know it, Evangelist Ebuka Obi's simple personal property, nearly a lot of people have developed their own personal properties. In terms of commercial properties and all that, as a result of one person's personal property. Now, let us leave Lagos, because Lagos is not the bone of contention right now. What is the bone of contention right now? In America, right now, what I want to tell all of you, all of you now, is that, yes, I agree with you. Zion City in Ngor-Okpala, you said it's Evangelist Ebuka Obi's personal property. But let me tell you what that personal property has done, in case if you don't know. In case if you don't know, let me tell you what that personal property, that your so-called personal property. Because when you say, come and build factory, that factory or collective property called that factory or general property, when J-Park said, because ndebayi une worizina anya ndoka weruna na nde China inwala na anya nde China, even the China biara elo or general property or personal property. I don't know if you are getting what I'm saying. So ona haluzina church lo one factory or general property or personal property. Now, what is the benefit of that personal property, that factory, to the members of the public? Let me tell you what that personal property we are talking about in Ngor-Okpala. Let me tell you the benefit, numerous of them, of that single personal property in Ekumake. That personal property in Ekumake, just like we said, it is like a magic, but yet it happened. Last year, general properties of people there in Ngor-Okpala, last year, every January, February, as the effect of that general property in Muleba, plots of land in a cell at merely 80,000, 70,000, 90,000, 100,000. General properties of people. When Evangelist Ebuka Obi moved his personal property, so let us continue. When the general properties of people, Uncensored, I greet you. When general properties of people was there, Ngor-Okpala, a plot of land they sell at 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 100,000, 100,000, 110,000, 120,000. Ebiti kata nya nke kwụ n'ọkụ nya nke du ntu a bank road si wee dị na Nnewi. Elezie nke ahụ 190,000 or 150,000. Ega na akwụ ndere bụrụ asị na-eji asụ afịa na Nnewi. N'isi na-ịgbachiri begu na Nnewi wee na Lagos wee chee nata na Lagos wee sị ka ị kpọọ onye ya bịa fichasịrị gị udo ịmakwa ego na ya akwụ ya nwebere ife ka ọfọ ọwụla a guy they lay over plot of land, the general properties of people. As a result of that so-called personal property in I refer to. As we speak now, anywhere in Wetalahana, 2.5 million Ngor-Okpala. Malone eba wuzi egotago anamuvuo anele 2.5 anele 3 anele 4 anele 5 anele 6 anele 7 anele 8 anele 9 anele 10 anele 11 enwela na 22 million Ngor-Okpala as we speak now as a result of that so-called personal property. Now let us break it down. Personal property or personal gain, no, Evangelist Ebuka Obi. That's what you are referring to, right? It is personal gain, no, Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Never I was just business on a belong way. Onye anaye no 70,000. We appreciate you to 6 million or 7 million or 10 million. Owele ye ego we bayaba. It illegal na Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Ana majuwa ajuju. Ega iti na ba Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Iwe sinega we si je nwa obodo oyiwo. Nwa were obodo oyiwo. O jeweli ye Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Nwa bia golu ye golu. Because I can tell you that more than 90% of land now are buy Ngor-Okpala. Who people that are not Ngor-Okpala indigenous, they are the people who are buying those lands. I can tell you that people from Abia State, people from Anambra State, people from Ebonyi State, people from Enugu State, people from other part of Imo State that is not Ngor-Okpala, they own lands today in Ngor-Okpala. Real estate developers, what that Ngor-Okpala, they are buying, they are selling. You that is buying, your own is also appreciating. If you want to sell tomorrow, you sell and make money. Never and now want to do today. When the first set of people who post to Leba 1 2 million. Wagu lelu 3.5. Ono keta 6 million. Still on Evangelist Ebuka Obi's personal property. Other real estate companies like Spring City, like so many other real estate companies and developers, a good China and Ngor-Okpala, Kuchisia, they are making money, and yet you dare make reference that it is Evangelist Ebuka Obi's personal property. How daft can some of you be? We are talking about appreciation of land and how people are lifting millions of naira in land transaction to the point that maybe those do careful. When they go to Ngor-Okpala, 300,000, 400,000, 100 something thousand, 600,000, 700,000. Today, as we speak, they will be selling that land there for 2 point something, 3 point something, 4 million, 6 million, 9 million, 10 million. So ngwa dono kwa na achagari anya ka nolu na emu anya mo iya ano ona eme ufam nanya. Somebody who is a traditionalist gwara ono pure onye omenala. Go and watch that video of that guy from Umuaka. That guy is na nyanwa wonye odinana na nyanwa wu efuta monye odinana. Mana nwanne na ego du na Ngor-Okpala kita we nolu na anya usetu ana agafese n'anya. Still on Evangelist Ebuka Obi's personal business. Gahaga ayashiga nka ka ikuzi okwu ego biara afia ka ikwu okwu ego biara afia kita maka ego biara afia. The other day njere Ngor-Okpala enwego a market ebe na market ya ma ndị si Lagos bukola akpa rice ma ndị tụrụ akpa rice une akpa semo akpa beans akpa gono shut down eluducha market ya to go almost 30 to 40% settle. It is not up to 70%. Kafunefune de etua ye kafunefune gado ejego na that market yenni. Now when I joga ajuju ego niile ha na-emeki na that market. It is a serious exchange of money going on na that market in Ngor-Okpala today. Or Evangelist Ebuka Obi's personal business? I'm asking you, is it Evangelist Ebuka Obi's personal business? Now, I will show you two videos. One was the first time mbido gaba Ngor-Okpala. Onwere ilo me gosigasi video. Ngosigi ila today. You can tell me the difference. Now some structures if go nila. I've go mundelo shops. The kind of structures of shops that you don't usually see in Ngor-Okpala. It has started coming out. Very soon, you are going to start seeing mega stations. Obolo ife ayawa pota, halo ife do to a, pulumita doba na etiti ilo. Miri, even na gwa filling station ya when you drive in, onwe pump 5, 6, 7. Still on Evangelist Ebuka Obi's personal business and property. Man of ndị ba ya ama ife. Ndị mmadụ they exchange millions because of the same personal business in a personal business. Now, n'anya ho ka ifuru video mmelu trailer budata ties na Zion City pekata mpe over 50 trailers loaded with ties a main offload na mande ka na offload trailer na budata WC una trailer ka na ebuye ahazime ekuku mattress ahazime ekuku bed ahazime ekuku furnitures ahazime ekuku apa POP ejuweme POP there screened in ahazime ekuku aluminium stone ties ahazime ekuku ahumako adame ekuku street light adame ekuku cement adame ekuku chippings adame ekuku white sand etu akamoto bu white sand yesu we 50 70 kwolo gbada na the new auditorium. Every second they can a trip aja there. Every second they can a trip aja there. Only amount to 10 IAG will make this program. Onwo ka hakunya nothing less than 100 million. Egonya higher donata anything less than 100 million. Iwe still on Ebuka Obi's personal business. Onye 10 aho. Ege aho. Okwonye ka enyeri ye. Okona pocket ye ka oba. Okonyari the money. Ndị niile na-enwe tipas niile ahụ tipas na-eje na Zion ground ahụ simultaneously nya ha je echi ya pekata mpe ọdụọ less than 300 tipas na-abata na that site every day na-apụ. Ndị niile nwe tipa ahụ Evangelist Ebuka Obi ebe niile a na-eje egwute aja ahụ Evangelist Ebuka Obi ndị na-atụ ya atụ Evangelist Ebuka Obi ebe ha na-eje agba diesel Evangelist Ebuka Obi mechanic na-maintain Evangelist Ebuka Obi iwe elu ka na-emaghị ife peloda caterpillar n'ọlụ dia Evangelist Ebuka Obi nwe more than 1,000 units of toilet. Ahamekwoku nke arụgoro mbuo Adamekwoku nke arụgoro mbuo. Look, let me tell you, reasonable people who are criticizing Evangelist Ebuka Obi, it got to a particular time when they all funa. There is so people like Abala Zefa. Now there is no need. There is no need. A lot of people have watched their videos of those they saw a man who is on a path heading to somewhere beneficial to Ndigbo. Hamechision na kpuo funa egwu a na obaga egwu ọzọ. Nwanne egwu a abaga egwu koromanko ụfọdụ ka na ọ na-aka akụkọ. Still on Evangelist Ebuka Obi's personal business. Over how many billion has been discharged into people's pockets, and it is still on Evangelist Ebuka Obi's personal business. Now, Nwejuo, Kelebe, all these critics, I borrowed something from Ife, this Reverend Father, Kulumaka, Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Let me borrow a paragraph from what he wrote. Let me borrow this paragraph. Now, look at it. Let me go to the part where he said he made the silence of the church and the media. Owese two things that shocked me to my bone marrow are, first, the silence of the media. A man built, equipped, and donated a free psychiatric hospital and the old people's home, and not a whisper. Bloggers who rushed to amplify his controversies somehow found no voice here. Could it be that some were induced to look away? Must the world only hear of his fault, never his triumphs? This selective reporting is unjust and unchristian. Now, secondly, talking about the silence of the church. Neither the Orthodox churches, Protestant, nor Pentecostal leaders have publicly acknowledged his charity. No priest or pastor has spoken a word of commendation. Instead, it is politicians like Mr. Peter Obi, Governor Charles Soludo, Governor Hope Uzodinma, etc., who have celebrated him. Is this envy, jealousy, or simply the blindness of our time? Do Christians now fight for God as though God were incapable of defending himself? Why can we not commend where commendation is due, even if we disagree with certain practice? What does it show you? That some people are they can no longer talk. They are now blind that they cannot see. Evangelist Ebuka Obi's personal business. Build factory. No factory can see where draw. That factory is it your own business? Do you benefit from it? The only benefit you will from it on one nego na roll now people raw material from you, that you are either part of the suppliers or you are part of the distributors or you are an agent in a clear of Wafia. That is the only benefit direct need receive salary. Tell me the difference from that same personal business in Eku and a ministry Evangelist Ebuka Obi established solely for charity. Go look at that man and enjoy it. Can you get it? It is where my Evangelist Ebuka Obi on Apu. Always focused na that mission on it. Sometimes when I look at that man, can you feel this man on enjoy as a man? Tell me one thing on enjoy as a man. On a jail holiday, on a jet boat cruise, on a jet Caribbean, or jet Dubai, or jet California, or Java. A man who rarely travel, except if he's going. He even rarely hold crusade international. Only few times a man who will remember scattered all over him and also every month on South Africa. Every month. I guess he only moves when Holy Spirit instructs him to move. If not, Ocho, he will be touring the whole city on a crusade because no one will established and members in all those cities. Just 3 people can be able to host him. That man will enjoy as a man. I don't know if you're not as a man. Put on a garage, don't want moto, go on than Abata ministry, Obo Range Rover Ocean, Obo BMW S5. Rare ke ya fuzi o sizere ka ono ni meji gade no se. Aye chef no we Tesla ke ebuteru. Kene Tesla hodo. Ebe ka Tesla ka have. So tell me one thing this man is enjoying as a man. Iyeji we meri le wiri. A man who sacrificed everything about him. He can choose to be one of the richest Nigerian pastors. He is happening right now. When he fought Shoru today, I hear water to his footstep. It is a sad reality, but you don't have any choice. It is a sad reality, but you don't have any choice. So, how dare you say a business in Akpo, no business here, but it is your business? Because I can tell you that that project in Ngor-Okpala has raised more men, has awakened more men, has injected money more. There is no establishment in the whole Southeast that has impacted on numbers of people as huge as Nke, if I are now impacted, or currently run by any government or any individual within the past 10 years. Tell me one. Tell me one. I want you to tell me one. Tell me one single project that government has undertaken within the past 10 years that has impacted on the economy of Southeast like the one Evangelist Ebuka Obi is doing. Every sector, they benefited from it. Every sector, they benefited from it. Yet, you have the mind to say that it is personal business. Business in Kinebe, Kelebo say benefiting. Business in Kinebe. Kelebo say benefiting. Kelebo say benefit somebody not around you. I'm asking you. But because of that same personal business, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, many people are Ngor-Okpala. It was because of that so-called personal business that made me to visiting Ngor-Okpala for the first time. Now, all the real estate developers now worry anymore for Ngor-Okpala. Yet, it is personal business. You also want to buy land in Ngor-Okpala because of Evangelist Ebuka Obi's personal business. Have you seen that you are gradually becoming a stakeholder in that business? Because now, because of that personal business, Evangelist Ebuka Obi Ngor-Okpala, he developed go interest in Ngor-Okpala. Ngor-Okpala has become the talk of the town. Ngor-Okpala is fast becoming the new economic hub in the Southeast because it is strategically positioned. It is going to be a city on its own. The same personal business Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Melu na GUO. God is good. Transporters. It is still on somebody's personal business. Luxurious bus is go Lagos every day. More than how many luxurious buses? More than how many coastal buses? More than how many Sienna? Christmas. It is still somebody's personal business. Zion City now a case of come and see. Come and see. Biaki wolanya ufunanya. Come and see. It was a trailer yesu wepolo abebulu road ebu batana leba wo. Hey, ogono onye na agba bed ya do na hostel. Buzi machine here and the workshop here. There's a city workshop here ba. Ana alworo. Metal ni na, igwe ni na. Personal business has gradually turned to other people's business. Yes. If you see, over 70 luxurious bus is coming from Enugu alone. Only Enugu. We are not talking about Ndesi Kano Abia. We are not talking about Ndesi. Hey, how do you people sleep? How do you people sleep? An Igbo man can never be the president. Yes, because of Onyepolo Amutuoye. Ndigbo ayi nwere oke anya ukwu. Nwata kpa bakari ibe na nkụ. Asị na ọkpara ya na aja ọfịa. Personal business. Personal business has become everybody's business. Because of one person's personal business. Mmadụ na-eji maka uwe bata n'ime arịarịa. Mmadụ na-eji maka uwe bata n'ime Nkwọ Nnewi. Mmadụ na-eji maka na ibi n'oke ọfịa bịa biri n'oke ọfịa. Ana m ajụwa ajụjụ. But because of personal business Evangelist Ebuka Obi, Ngor-Okpala has become a destination, a tourist attraction. If you are not going there to come and see what is happening, and they be go ijena restaurant ije nni nwanyị o nwoke na-ele nni e benefit go na na-ebia e watago ibu moto bịa ifetu ọkada na Okpala junction ọkada alacha go piom maka na-ebia kedu ife ọkada ji wee lacha piom ahụ because of na Zion na-exist befa heat emeghị igolo hanky mmiri ya go igolo mmiri. All these things You are buying and you are exchanging money. Before you know it, as little as you can, it drop go like 5,000 or more. Now just one visit, yet it is Evangelist Ebuka Obi's personal business. Let them open their own personal business. Now this is empire, in spirit. You wanna go? Your business is not even able to benefit 1, 2, or 3 people, but you dare talk about somebody personal business. Business that has become everybody's business. Everybody do now interested in that same business you are talking about. Sometimes unu kukata okwu takene na okwu eze. Takene na okwu eze. Evangelist Ebuka Obi personal business. So real estate developer jegola na Ngor-Okpala nke go na 5 naira na 10 naira ka ị na-asị nye kwusina maka Ngor-Okpala. No personal business Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Imo ego no make go there. Imo ego ne that real estate developer, even people who are buying and selling on their own, even community people who are selling their land and making good money, wolie ofodu ni mefa ilu na Ngor-Okpala kita uno ofu kanko ama agba ujenene uno ofu kanko okada kanko etu aka yesi bulu okada machine si aba si fa na awudata ojuleju Mamadu ne mepe gold block industry na Ngor-Okpala within the past 1 year. Mamadu ne mepe gold block industry. Mamadu ne mepe na lo depot eba na investment within the last 1 year. Still on Evangelist Ebuka Obi's personal business, as you may put it. Ana alu no fo Ngor-Okpala ofode me expert no wa na nwere ki idoni block tinana. Ana 70 or 200,000 one ki ye legido we lete gi yeju welunu. But today maka ha nwere ana ka banjiba, ha nwere ana banjiba. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha afụrụ ego ha amụghọ na ha ya emecha afụ n'ụwa ha. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha nwere ego ha amụghọ na ha ya emecha afụ n'ụwa ha. Yes. Ha ma agwa gị ka o wewụrụ. O nwere onye nke nwe problem n'obodo oyibo. Ọ a na-elelu because na Zion bịaziri ka eji wee nwee ike wee leta ha na eji wee sendịarị ego o wee zọọ isi onwe. Ha enwere any other hope. Ha enweghị any other hope. Now ha na ana ogolu 200 and something thousand ka ọ dị 170,000 ka ogolu ka ogolu ana ahụ wee goye how many plot from the power of attorney ewotara o ji wee go dị ana. But ama m ego one olelu each plot n'ime ana of which na ma ha agwa ife ma amaghọ because no mụ onye kwụrụ ụgwọ ọmụ ka achịrị power of attorney mwefu ego n'ogolo ana elele ego one mwee pike ego n'ogolo ana ahụ ego one olele ana ahụ ogolo na ọzọrọ iji wee mee farm even register under the name of that farm mana ama m ego one anyị je deposit in account ya n'Owerri. Ama m ego one anyị ji wee deposit in account ya n'Owerri. Owolu nwayọ sort wolo nwe problem ya. Still on Evangelist Ebuka Obi's personal business. I just for commenting mad that even bloggers will make more money. In fact, from this personal business Evangelist Ebuka Obi na-eme mana Lagos, mana ebe o feed go more bloggers than their own personal content. Auto on go some of the bloggers I man ha na create content in terms of drama. Evangelist Ebuka Obi at on go have to bloggers now who blog. So what I am telling you is that more bloggers are now no more being creative, yet they are making money because everybody want to hear about Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Even o nwere ụfọdụ bloggers na-eme ha jezi ikwu maka another thing. He take picture Evangelist Ebuka Obi ka ndị mmadụ wee rush ya bịa nene. You are also making money. It is an economy on its own. Evangelist Ebuka Obi is an economy on its own. Some bloggers, throughout their career as bloggers, they have made more money blogging about Evangelist Ebuka Obi than any news they have ever shared. It is still on Ebuka Obi's personal business, but other people are growing their businesses from Evangelist Ebuka Obi's personal businesses. Many people are making their cool money from Evangelist Ebuka Obi's personal business. Yeah? How many billions I think Ngor-Okpala? And I'm how many billions I think Ngor-Okpala? From the time Evangelist said, okay, Kenu maka surveyor all Kenu maka surveyor all there. Enjoy ajuju. If you fancy na weba, over how many? And I'm saying how many thousand blocks age all weba is going 1,000 per now. I watch a boho, akwo binsi akwo. My niece. So sometimes mfu kaje parke na sound beto sa sound. I may blame it because if you can't it is so obvious and they have seen it. Look at what Evangelist Ebuka Obi's personal business has done to Agreed. Because of that personal business in a bar, governor award to Gilo obodo ye benefit in it. Who know ya done transformer obodo ye benefit in it because of personal business so funny. The same personal business we give free services to millions of Ndigbo. Personal business. Personal business. That same personal business committed over 1.2 billion in pocket of our Igbo brothers. It is still personal business. Even now, well, let us go to Mbulishi. Go to Mbulishi in Imo State. The same personal business. Eh? Ufodu n'ime unu amolo nke unu si ala hola na abali. Ufodu n'ime unu witches and wizards ka unu mma. Unu na-eri amosu maka unu dado anu mmadu unu yeri anu mmadu. Ime ego na-ebubata na Ngor-Okpala. Within the park, even potential investors, who are coming, people are buying lands in Ngor-Okpala in hectares, paying hundreds of millions into people's accounts. Imegune Batagonu Ngor-Okpala within the past 2 years. Imegune Batagonu Ngor-Okpala within the past 2 years. Iwuru onye Ngor-Okpala we God so if you wa mosu wizard ka mma because if from the bono n'anya owulu na ifuru nde bono n'anya you dare not touch on Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Make angosunu the kind of free stations so don't Ngor-Okpala. Onye ka na emepe do free station all. Onye ka na emepe free stations all. O nwere ile ya gwagido gbachasịcha n'ile ahụ ya foto mkpụrụ moto. The only moto mfugoro na ofu moto ndị polisi Siena. These are fact. Do there. If our fact, doeba, it is visible to the eye and audible to the deaf. Nyake follow somebody who bata traffic bono. People na bata na apụ. Keruntu ozo obodo si emepe. Keruntu ozo a city si ebido. Before you know it, a very big market will spring up. Shopping complex will start coming up. Filling stations, hotels, factories. Onye na abia alo factory. Okwayari alo, let's say, consumable goods. Okwari ebe mmadu no. Ke ya abia situate. Iye buri ejewe ebe mmadu anoro. Una na-eri uda mosu. Kedu ife bata na government ji wedo ka ha neglect Ngor-Okpala? It is because unu nwere ana, but have for any much activities going on there, so they found no reason or any need to come and start wasting money on roads motor adagba. Now enwe na interest pool, enwe more people and more businesses cited in Ngor-Okpala. Government will start now. What's a suze benine? Government are lost away benine. Lowozo what to say wozo. Unwerozo nchoputalo na Ngor-Okpala ofua. Mwe maru numwe bete hodaka. Kama no zi weje telaka duto na access galeba hadroma. Mwe discover a new road. Mmakwana ila mapolo no nwe ka esi we kpocha ya kita ebe ni na-ege. You got to go. These are fact and reality now. Nyaka mmadu nechala anya. Onwere secondary school mfolo dukoti osichabana. Side auditorium nwe ju ajuju e we gwo ni Evangelist Ebuka Obi yeti school a wo mon. Community service. Community service. Community service. Umweri FIFA aduna Ngor-Okpala. Ngunwa onye Abia State ije go Ngor-Okpala. You are going there to look for opportunity. You are going there to look for opportunity. It is money. Eba ni ma afia no wore. Eba ni ma afia na aba. Afia na aba. Eba ni me Port Harcourt. The other day I na-ekwu something. Actually, ijelo na aba. It's something I ijelo na aba. Because of Evangelist Ebuka Obi's personal business na Ngor-Okpala. Ego na-eje afia na aba. Ego na-eje afia na Port Harcourt. Ego na-eje afia na Nnewi. Ego na-eje afia nowhere. In a story. Because they want musu. Because they want informal solo one so. Edebe anu mmadu iri anu mmadu myo bara chochorocho. You want to go? Foduni mu na enwe hochemo. Foduni mu na enwe hochem. He's a man like you. And his vision. Look at it. If a government that day memu, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, who has ever done that? So when Ebube Monso said that Evangelist Ebuka Obi is the John the Baptist of our time, he blamed me. That he is a prophet, God do design for this particular age, time, generation. I don't know. Do you think I was lying? Have you seen it? Who has ever done what he has done? Even those people who started what he is doing, they never even know that it can be done better like this. Yes, it is a reality. You have to believe it. You want to go? So, what is it that you people actually water? Ndanyuku. Yeah? Personal business. Be do your own personal business. Be do your own personal business. We also want to benefit from your own personal business. Yes, because personal business, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, like you call it, they make it go millionaires and billionaires. In order to chagarianya. Yeah? In order to chagarianya. Biake ebunu ya funde kwatolo ole jiriwe na ibata na afia so nde na-ele nni ebe ahụ ya carry more than 70 kitchens yet nni a na-esi ahịa ezu ụfọdụ ya esicha 20 bags of rice or ezu. Is that not economy? Hazi ekwukwu ndị na-ele akwa, ndị na-ele mmiri, ndị na-ele mmanya, ndị na-ele meat pie, ndị na-ele bread, ndị na-ele every single thing a na-eri, every single thing a na-eri, ibute akpa si moto ati Yesu. Emakwa ife one person's personal business. The capable of the oh my God. Sometimes you know kata na enu mu na anya, una mu na amu because unu weyu. Ama mgbe bebi oko bia mepe Odumba City na Enugu. Ona afio very commendable something because akulu unu. Yes, a lot of real estate developers are go na Eastern akolo haka na Ndigbo are thinking home. Evangelist Ebuka Obi has done the part that no other person has ever done. Yeah. Some of you need the sense. You want to go? Yeah. Yeah. That young man deserves like a southeastern governor's honor. That man. You gotta go. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, no doubt. Although Kayasina TB Joshua Manna, a replacement, I'm gonna go. God will you. Because I can tell you that Evangelist Ebuka Obi is a perfect replacement for TB Joshua. A perfect replacement. In another video, maybe I will tell you the similarities in the way no a perfect replacement for TB Joshua. Federal government need to honor that man. If not for anything, for contribution on through aviation, our aviation sector. Alpha. What is happening right now? What is happening right now? Chisco, GUO ha. Na boda, Male go nende na bianza yon ne bubata government every weekend or every week. Personal business, man, they benefit from it. Yeah? Personal business can not do. But he may benefit from that personal business. Yeah? You are benefiting from that personal business. When I talk, you answer me. Personal business. Don't care about personal business. Yeah? Personal business that has become everybody's business. Personal business that has become everybody's business. Ana Ngor-Okpala, Kande mmadụ si eme onye bukọrọ ngwa afọ na agba olugbo Zion. Even anọ m ebe a sef no one woman nwa asị na-esi ofe akwụ na Lagos ka a na-ekwu ha na-akpa nkata ebe anyị na-eri nri ha wee na-ekwu na the woman buru ngwongwo wee bata na the woman sị na ya anazi na emecha 100 days na ya anọsi na Ngor-Okpala because Ngor-Okpala need the people ya no dia na-esi nri ya ndị mmadụ bịa ha na-eri ịghọtakwu ife a na-agwa ịghọtakwu ife a na-agwa Yeah? What I could even agwa. Eh? Unyo bukosero na agba iru ile. For all no na Lagos keta na ekwu oge ebe nwanne je Ngor-Okpala o. Ngor-Okpala keta akwụkwọ opportunity go. Alustabana shop. I will make a video careful. Alustabana shop, Alubana more structures, Alubana hotel. Apart from only one guy after Okpala Junction, the guy Aluchana hotel, man, or you finish one hancha, or they make it sure now one section do ready. Eh? People now renovate the houses because now I'm an high we guest. Even sincere, some key functionaries and the na alụ na Zion ji wee gbada ndị niile ahụ obe mmadụ ka ha nọ. Mana since over 2 weeks ago, more than 500 people a move go for Lagos. Key people na alụ na Zion gbada Ngor-Okpala, camp na Ngor-Okpala. Since over 2 weeks now, na agbari economy there. Yeah? Na agbari economy there. Na-emeso obodo ofera, ndị obodo na-enwere aṅụrị, ndị obodo na-ekwere oyoyo. Epụtazie ndị obodo ụfọdụ n'ime ha eje na-agbarụcha mbibi wee atụwa mineral. Ọga ọkwarugo ọnwụ na nọ Lagos, nọ Aba, nọ ebe ị nọ, ego shop siere ike. The first set of people that we establish those businesses na Ngor-Okpala ndị egbu ozu gbada Ngor-Okpala, hapụ Lagos, barber shop je mepere ebe ọ na-emepere mmadụ ya abịagido Ngor-Okpala till the next one wee ruo mgbe Zion ya gbara permanently. Yes. Yeah, Caesar, I greet you. Yeah. Ndị mmadụ ga-abịagido Ngor-Okpala na-emu a supposed to meet chef home. Ọ na mgbe lulu Ngor-Okpala na mụfụrụ ezibota barber shop shaving now. People ga-abịagido Ngor-Okpala. So workers na anọgodo na that site alone. 5 restaurants permanently there can never serve those people. Because ndị mmadụ chọrọ ebe ha eje rie ezigbo nri. So onye ọna jele ebe a mepe ezigbo restaurant keta iya ade ele nri onye go na ya ada azọ boutique yo, toiletries yo, ezibota cosmetics shop, because they will a lot of non-indigens in Nubatalo. Indigens can manage with what they have, but non-indigens different classes of people, different levels and class to some of the things actually. So that place is a new destination for business, if you know what I mean. On the Kirueba Keta, ije mepe ifedoka ebe a na-ele cement na-ebunata cement in trailers. Isho bunata 5,000 bags of cement election. Isho bunata 5,000 pieces of road election. Ebutecha ni fe Yesu akpo ha deliver bunata ajababa nya kiri bute howo je debe dia howo ya lokato olu si ogo na olu aye bi ebe ahụ akwụgo beans akwo ka Zion na alụ ka other individuals na alụ. A lot of people develop na hagolo. Shelu mgbe people ye bidi develop na hagolo n'ike. Shelu mgbe people ye bidi develop na hagolo n'ike. Onwe some places ya pụta ofie ju eme ọ na-ego ọ na-ebe niile. Shelu mgbe ye bido so wafia niile do na Ngor-Okpala wa ụzọ. Maka ofia niile ahụ efolo ndị real estate company golu. Wo apụta kịta apassionate ya na niile ahụ wa ụzọ n'ime ụzọ eghelu. There will be a city. There will be an estate. You gotta go. Messi City Estate, this one estate, this one estate, this one estate. That was how we have Peace Estate, Hosanna Estate, Victory Estate. But Peace Estate, Hosanna Estate, Victory Estate, and go around Zion City, na Lagos. That kind of packaging is what is coming. If you go to Peace Estate, a lot of activities in Amen and Peace is because of Zion. Go to Hosanna, Victory, Yes, a lot of apartments in the Madungweleba, hotels in the Madungweleba, and people who move down to that side, so how we know Zion and so. Ha can go. Divine estate, thank you very much. Ada go fago. Ha Ebudonu TV. Oji aje mo go na Ngor-Okpala. Ebudo na agbagoro ndị mmadụ opekata mpe more than 1,000 trips of sand. Igbe ego na agwa gị fa in people's pocket. Ebudo nọ na-eri ọkwa inye ọkwa iri ndị mmadụ ebute aja ego a na-esekulate ka ebudo nọ na-agba ka onye a na-agba ka onye a na-agba ka ndị a na-agba ka onye ọ na-agba. Isi na ịghọta bụ ife a na-eme n'ife aka na-eme esi etu a emeghị mụrụmụrụ n'anya ịghọtachabụ ebe a na-eje. Don't worry, ka a na-asụ oge asụmasụ ị chọghị ịnụ anyị asụrụ sịpịrị iwe ghọta ife a na-ekwu. Ife Evangelist Ebuka Obi tụọ ya odogwu na ọdụ izi ife nwoke mere ehika sacrifices and price nwoke pay welute born today for somebody to be able to make this kind of nwanne enwere spiritual guidance. If you don't want to know that spirit can talk to somebody, if you don't believe that spiritual controls the physical, if you don't believe in revelation, if you don't believe that the gift of a man make it a way for him, look at what Evangelist Ebuka Obi has done in Ngor-Okpala. It is only through spiritual guidance and revelation ka God nwere ike iji wee direct mmadụ n'obodo tọwọrọ n'efu nwoke luo ebe a wee make something out of nothing. Kedu ka God yesi wee direct n'ime ọfịa? Like kedu ka yesi nọkata in your brain without God, without Holy Spirit direction, you know, conceive an idea of taking something like that to somewhere strange, if not through the guidance of the Holy Spirit. And within the shortest time, you could see that it has started manifesting. It will go so that this is not about somebody having foresight, somebody being an expert in investment or this. This is Holy Spirit direction. This is spiritual guidance and spiritual direction. Yes. But how many real estate companies are Saga? I can even tell you that one go out if you so na somebody nari nya one go so na a real estate developer neje nebe mepe je go down na lesson them man. Ebo Emmanuel Okwuchukwu jee na page m iwo number m. Jee na page m iwo number m. Jee na page m iwo number m. Number m do na page m. So many other real estate developers. Ebe ha nwela na 5 years ago. Igore 1.5. We wrote that. Itinye 2 million wonye ego. Onwe nke nwanne nwaanyị so we n'obodo oyibo so we ego since ka ọ na-achọ ka ele ye afọ onye ego nke inwe na Ngor-Okpala ngoju na iyele tie for sale ka atọwa agba even tie for sale mege pụọ n'ugwu ọ na-chọrọ ile yele ka ifu ego na anyocha will anywhere and appreciate go so faster in the history of obodo ya bụ Nigeria. Zion City, Ngor-Okpala. It is only God that can give that kind of value. God ka na-akpọ ọkwala ụzọ n'ịkpa ọkwala ụzọ n'etiti osimiri, because he make it a way where there is no way. So Evangelist Ebuka Obi simply deserves an award. No, na akwasịrị ka ibe unu agbakọrọ na Ngor-Okpala ọ ya emewuva m n'anya nọrọ na akụkọ asịrị na akpagharị. If you have invested in Ngor-Okpala, you don't know the kind of wise decision you have made for yourself. I am a witness on a forefront, and I have seen what is happening there. Anywhere in Ngor-Okpala, I don't care any part of Ngor-Okpala being well. You don't know what God has done for you. Mana nobody can be wiser than God. And if God gives somebody direction and vision, if you key into that plan, you will be the most wisest. May God bless Evangelist Ebuka Obi. May God bless Zion Ministry and those Zionites. May God bless our able engineer CCOB. May God bless Evangelist Shibo, Brother Shibo. May God bless my one man Mopo. Akozayon Itume. I call him Akopawa. Akobute Bute. May God bless all of them. May God bless you all. Igbo gemesha honor Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Igbo gemecha honor Evangelist Ebuka Obi. He did what nobody has ever done. Madonna University came to Okeja. Respect to Fadede. He created a lot of employment in Madonna University. But it has nothing to do with development or whatever thing in Okeja. But who created a lot of employment. The same thing with other people. But look at Zion. You called it a ministry or you called it a church. But look at what is happening there. It was a ministry and it was a church. But look at what is happening there. If in a member, is it not just more than what physical eye can see? Can't you see the spiritual hand of God in Ngor-Okpala? Can't you see spiritual guidance and direction? Can't you see that this vision is beyond anyone, even the greatest advisor can ever advise somebody? Not even the greatest economist can see a reason to go to Ngor-Okpala Dokepa and make something out of that paper. It is only God who can give that direction. More so from a man who has been established somewhere to have slept and woke up one day and decide by mere declaration that we are going to Ngor-Okpala. If a better Ngor-Okpala immediately. As an I just came today to clarify the so-called church business to you. Personal business Evangelist Ebuka Obi. So are you now clear on how personal business has turned to general business? It is now general concern. Even some people's mouth has been shut up. I no longer hear more of Evangelist Ebuka Obi, because when you talk bad about him now, even some people they criticize here before, we join hands and piagumbo ajara kalaka. Woke has paid the due. Woke has paid the due. He has paid it all. He has paid it all. You cannot help but to love him. And it is not negotiable. Share this video. I still remain one and only Ezugo. Like I said, people should pardon me for not always coming online as I always do regularly and the live broadcast. It is because Nive Kante Bakutenute no nwanne no. Enwe ife Jesu go n'onu ka mgbochapie. Ịghọtago mgbochapie aya aba ikwa na odi ayi. Ịghọtago. So for now, once in a while I na abata itu I say abata. do well to follow us and share our video. Follow me on YouTube at Ezugo Global TV. Follow me on YouTube, Ezugo Global TV. You got to go. So let me finish and clear water, then I will be back fully. But that is not to say that I will be coming. You got to go. Any update, man. Am the kind of commitment before and now? You got to go. I need to get my head and cleared off. Yeah, some certain things. Weekend or you got to go. Share this video. Tabanita Malay Makashphone Denken.